Google has just unveiled Gemma 3, a groundbreaking family of open-weight AI models. These models are a game changer, bringing high-performance AI to consumer hardware without needing massive computational resources. Gemma 3 builds on Gemini 2.0 but is optimized for efficiency. It comes in four sizes: 1B, which is a text-only model, and the rest 4B, 12B, and 27B are multimodal, meaning they can handle both text and images. This makes them incredibly versatile for various applications. The biggest shift here is efficiency. These models can run on a single GPU, TPU, or even a high-end consumer CPU-GPU combo, which was unthinkable for such powerful AI models before. The core of Gemma 3 is a transformer-based architecture, but with some serious upgrades. It uses rotary positional embeddings, a technique that allows models to handle long contexts efficiently. While previous models like Gemma 2 used a base frequency of 10K, Gemma 3 scales this up to 1M. That means it can process up to 128K tokens in a single sequence, great for long documents, in-depth conversations, and multi-step reasoning tasks. Now, the way Gemma 3 processes information depends on whether it's dealing with text or images. For text, it uses causal attention, meaning each token only sees what came before it. For images, it switches to bidirectional attention, which allows it to analyze an entire image at once. The model relies on a SIGLIP vision encoder, processing images at a high resolution of 896 by 896 pixels. This allows it to handle complex multimodal tasks, like answering questions about images or generating captions with high accuracy. One of the most critical innovations in Gemma 3 is its interleaved attention pattern. Instead of treating all tokens equally, it combines local and global attention in a 5-to-1 ratio. Local attention focuses on nearby words, a sliding window of 1,024 tokens, while global attention spans the entire context. Why does this matter? Because it dramatically reduces memory overhead. Previous models used about 60% of their inference memory for KV cache storage, but Gemma 3 brings that down to 15%, making it way more efficient. The flagship model, Gemma 327B-IT, is particularly impressive. It achieves a chatbot arena ELO score of around 1338 to 1339, ranking among the top 10 AI models globally, and even outperforming much larger models like Llama 405B while using fewer resources. When tested on industry benchmarks, it performs exceptionally well. It supports over 140 languages, with particularly strong performance in 35 of them. A major challenge in large AI models is balancing performance and efficiency. Gemma 3 was trained on TPU v4p, v5p, and v5e clusters, using an innovative method to extend its context length. Initially pre-trained on 32K token sequences, Google later fine-tuned the 4B, 12B, and 27B models to handle 128K tokens. This allowed them to scale the model efficiently without excessive compute costs. Quantization is another huge advantage here. Google provides official 4-bit quantized versions, reducing memory and compute requirements without a significant drop in accuracy. That means the 27B model, normally requiring enterprise-grade GPUs, can run on a high-end consumer setup like an RTX 4090, making cutting-edge AI accessible to researchers, developers, and even enthusiasts. So how does this all scale? The smallest 1B model can run on a 16-core CPU with 32 gigabytes RAM. The 4B model needs around a 16 to 32 core CPU, 64 gigabytes RAM, and a 12 to 16 gigabytes VRAM GPU, RTX 3060/3070 level. The 12B model demands more, a 32-core CPU, 64 to 128 gigabytes RAM, and a 24 gigabyte VRAM GPU, RTX 3090/4090. Finally, the 27B model requires serious hardware, a 32 to 64 core CPU, 128 gigabytes RAM, and a 24 to 48 gigabytes VRAM GPU. However, thanks to 4-bit quantization, you can still run it on an RTX 4090, which is remarkable. What does all this mean for real-world applications? The smaller models are perfect for edge computing, mobile applications, and local AI assistants. The larger ones enable powerful on-device AI without needing to send data to the cloud, which improves privacy and responsiveness. Gemma 3 also supports function calling, allowing it to generate structured outputs, making it great for automation and AI-driven workflows. Gemma 3 is a major leap in making powerful AI more accessible. The 27B flagship model performs comparably to much larger AI systems, while the smaller models allow AI to run efficiently even in constrained environments. With support for long contexts, multimodal capabilities, and multilingual processing, Gemma 3 is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with consumer-accessible AI. Most importantly, it democratizes advanced AI. Instead of requiring huge cloud-based infrastructures, Gemma 3 models bring cutting-edge capabilities to desktops, workstations, and even mobile devices. All the models are available in Hugging Face Library. I have also added all the resources available in the description below. Thanks for tuning in.